Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today I have a stitch fix. This is my second video. I just wrapped up with the Trendsend, sent it all back. Today I have a stitch fix and I do not pay a styling fee for stitch fix, thank goodness. But if you did have to pay a styling fee, it's $20 towards each fix. Say anything you keep gets that $20 gets applied, send back the rest. And you're then out that $20 if you don't buy anything. But since I have the Style Pass, I pay an annual fee of $49 a year. I can get unlimited fixes and it's no skin off of my nose. So I don't like it, send it back, no big deal. You know, I have to admit, my closet is busting at the seams. And the only thing I'm looking for are really some unique items or maybe some things that are on trend that I don't have, that I'm trying to fill maybe some gaps. You know, sometimes I like basically, believe it or not, I need a simple plain cottonish black sweater for all seasons, like a cardigan. I don't have that, so I'm actually looking for something like that. But we'll see what's in this box. I saw the preview and I chose 2 or 3 items and then my stylist filled in the rest. So let's see what we got here. All right, so first bundle. All right, first bundle is a pair of corduroys, which I actually did choose in my preview. All right, so these are by Market and Spruce. Oh my gosh, they're teeny tiny. They're not gonna fit on me. They're not gonna fit. There is no freaking way I can get these things on me. They are a size 0 petite, and they are a small 0 petite in dark purple. And they're a very fine gauge corduroy. And they're investing in Better Cotton org. By choosing this product, we're supporting our investment in Better Cotton's mission to help communities survive and thrive while protecting and restoring the environment. Well, that's good. That's nice. You do get an invoice and a little note from your stylist, but let's take a look at the invoice and see how much these cords go for. So they're the Market and Spruce Brooklyn Slim Straight Dark Purple 0 Petite, $64. I don't think it is a bad price, to be honest with you. That said, I highly doubt I'm even going to be able to show you these. These look teeny tiny. To me, these look like a 23 or 24 inch waist versus a 25, but I will give them a try. All right. And they have what they call, I would call this a skinny. They're calling it the Slim Straight. I think it's a skinny. And yeah, I'll try them on. Like I said, I was in my preview and I'm like, I don't have any dark purple cords. Sure, why not? You know, do I need them? No, but we'll see. We'll see what they look like. All right, next up is something that I did not know about. My stylist chose for me. And I think I know why she chose this for me is because on my wish list, now my stylist is Shannon from Shannon Style, and she came up and visited me last weekend, and she did a video on it, I'll link it below, and I did a brief video on our little haul together, and I'll link that below too, but there's no actual footage of us shopping. She looked at my wish list because I have like a list of things that I want when we were shopping, and one of the things that I didn't have, and I guess she must have taken a note on it, is like a sweatshirt dress, like a casual, comfy little sweatshirt dress. So she sent this along. So this is actually not a sweatshirt material. It's actually like a thermal knit, all right? And I have to say the quality of this does seem quite nice. So let's see what this is made out of. This is made out of 60% organic cotton, 30% nylon, and 10% merino wool. So right there and then, I do like the quality of the fabrics. It has like a cowl neck, not quite a turtleneck, with a matching string, which I also prefer. It does have a seam down the back, and the stripes, look at that, they match up on the sides. They go straight around. So this, I think, is a quality piece. This is by Prana, the Milani dress in navy, size extra small, $88. For the quality and the price, I don't think that's that bad. I will try it on and see how it looks. My one concern is dresses like these in general that don't have any kind of a waist and no definition generally look pretty awful and frumpy on me, but I'll give them a try, all right? So I do appreciate the quality of this. I don't mind the price because I definitely feel the quality in it. Okay. Next item is the LNA Lotus Rib Cutout Knit Top in Beige, size extra small for $110. All right, that's crazy. It's basically a fancy t-shirt. I do like L&A. I'm trying to remember. I think I selected this myself in my preview. L&A is known to be an expensive name brand that like Ever Eve carries. This is 95% rayon, 5% spandex. It is soft, and I could totally see this thing being very clingy to me. And again, it looks really tiny. All right, so it has the cutout, and it looks like it's off the shoulder, so I'm thinking it's not gonna be bra friendly. I'm gonna try it on and see how it looks. One thing that I saw on this, let me see if I can see it in here, if it's in this little preview too. No, so you do get yes I did. All right, so I will show you. So one thing that I saw that they paired this top with was this skirt. And I know you can't see it here, but I really like the skirt, so I ordered the skirt. So the skirt is on its way. It's like with a royal blue, tan, and black. And I have a feeling it's going to be kind of a short skirt, so I don't think I would be wearing this little cropped, tight little knit top with it. But I do like the skirt. So it's kind of funny that that triggered me to say, oh, I like that skirt, and I bought the skirt. I will try it on, but I'm not so sure. The next thing that she sent me, which when I saw the preview, I thought it was adorable, is this Free People velvet knit top. They're calling this color blush, all right? But it's more of like a peach. Size extra small for $68. Okay, we all know Free People's expensive, but I don't think $68 is that horrific of a price for this. It's not great, but I don't think it's horrific, all right? It's got the little puff sleeves here. It's got the V-neck with the drawstring. Already though, I do see a problem with this that you don't usually get in your preview, is it's enormously wide. At least it looks wide on me, all right? And the V looks enormously low. I'll try it on, see how it looks, and it also looks rather short, like short and wide. I do like the style of this. I really liked it in the preview. I think my biggest issue with this is that, okay, the color is blush, it's short sleeve, but it's velvet, so I'd have to wear something over it, or it's more like a winter type of thing, and I'm just kind of like befuddled how to style this because of the material, the color, etc. I'm gonna try it on, see how it looks, but I do like this. Okay, so she did a great job in picking that out. All right, next thing, which I don't think this was on I chose this. At least I don't think I did. I think she chose this for me, I'm not sure. I know, this is a big thing here. This is the Avec Les Filets tan jacket. Yikes, $180. Okay, this is nice. I can see why this is $180. This is a thick, nice jacket. All right, really thick. I mean, this is gonna keep you warm. So the inside of this, like I said, I could see why it is this so expensive. It is made in China. The exterior, the shell is faux fur, 100% polyester. The backing is also 100% polyester. The trim is polyurethane, okay? The pocket lining, polyester. It is machine wash gentle, only non-chlorine bleach leaded, dry flat, do not iron, do not dry clean. All right, this is a thick, warm coat. And I did have on my list that I'm looking for a shearling. So let me give this a try and see what it looks like. I'll think about this. It is pretty pricey, but I have to say the quality is there on this piece. Again, this is the Avec Les Filets Lorelei jacket in tan, extra small, $180. Okay, give me a minute. Okay, the first up is what I would call a sweatshirt dress, although it is not sweatshirt material. It is a knit material, but like a waffle knit, and it's like a nice thick thermal. I'm really impressed with the quality of this. It's by Prana, and I believe I said it was $88. For the quality, I don't mind the price, to be honest with you. It is obviously a casual style. I'll stand back. I just paired it with a pair of booties. I might wear a pair of tights with this probably in the winter. Probably navy tights. I do have navy tights. I'm not quite sure. It has a long cuff. So look at this cuff here. See how long it is? It does have a long cuff. And like I said, the stripes do match up. Quality on this is beautiful. I would keep this. I'm gonna have to look back at the footage. I'm just not so sure it does anything for me, all right? I put on this silver belt that I've had for a bazillion and 1 years. I tried another belt on and it was just too wide and looked ridiculous. It needs something to give me a waist definition. I'll show it without the belt, but I don't know. I just kind of feel it's really just kind of like a big sack on me. What do you guys think? I think it's just not very attractive. Love the quality, love the feel of this. I just wish it was a little bit, maybe it had some darts or something to bring in my waist a little bit. I'm not sure. All right, well, give me a minute. I'm gonna, I'm not 100% no on this one yet. I'd have to look at the footage, but I have a feeling it's going back. Give me a minute and I'll try on the next piece. Next up is this very, very thick jacket. So this is a thick jacket that would probably take you down into the 20-degree weather in the winter months. I do have some issues with this jacket, and I do like it, but I think for $180 it's gotta be perfect, and it's not perfect. So for me, first, it's a little bit too short. It's a crop style, and if I need a warm jacket, I want it to come like at least another inch longer to make sure it covers up this area so I don't get wind coming up, or if like I raise my arms, I don't feel a gust of wind. I mean, it's a thick jacket. I just wish it were just a teensy bit longer, maybe like another 2 inches, to cover up this area a little bit more versus a crop style. Second, there isn't much room in here for me or layering. It just fits. It fits great, but I think, again, if I wanted a winter jacket, I want just a teensy bit of room in here to put a thicker sweater underneath, because I'm not wearing anything thick underneath. The third thing, I think this is a little bit crazy, is this collar. I think the collar is cute, it's furry, but it is quite the lapel on this thing. It's like right at you. I think I would want something a little bit more subdued. You can button it up one more button so the collar gets a little bit smaller. But yeah, so it's a beautiful jacket. If you're going to a department store, $180 is what you would pay for this, but then you can always have coupons and stuff like that. I really don't need this. I do want one, but I don't need it. So if I'm gonna get it, it's gotta be something that I absolutely love and absolutely perfect. So I do like this jacket. I think this is a nice quality jacket. I think the price is typically the retail price you would pay, but again, I don't need it, so I think I'm going to send it back unless, if it were absolutely perfect, I would consider it. Okay, up next is the Free People top. Love the color of this, love the style of it, sort of. Like, I love the puff sleeves. I like the little ruffle collar. I like the V. It's just a little bit too loose and wide and boxy and too short. I mean, I can't even do a front tuck really on this thing. These are high-waisted jeans and it won't even barely stay tucked. So it's just not me. It's just too loose and flowy. I'll show you the back of it. So yeah, I mean, if it were like more fitted into my body and a little bit longer, I like it, but and it's also kind of hard to style with the short sleeves, I think. The corduroys, like I suspected, yeah, I couldn't even get this on. I need at least 2 sizes up from this. These are insanely small. I would say that these are like a 23-inch waist, even though they're zero petite and zeros are usually a 25 and above. So, I mean, here, hold on, you can even see, all right? Look how tiny these are. Yeah, no way, can't get them on me. They run small, Shannon, run small. So yeah, no, these are gonna be a no. And I kind of looked at that sweat dress on me. I took a picture of myself in the mirror and I look as big as a house in it. I don't know, it's just not flattering on me. I really like it. I wanted it to work, but yeah, I can't. All right, just the LNA top. Give me a minute. Okay, the LNA top is next, and this one is just too small. I like things that are body skimming but not glued to my body. Like, I feel my stomach and every little roll here, back here, is exposed. This is just way too tight for me. The sleeve and the arms are quite tight, and as you can see, I showed you, it isn't off the shoulder and it is not bra friendly. I kept my regular bra on. I wasn't going to put on a strapless for this. And honestly, I do want a cutout top. I don't own any cutout tops. And even though this is sexy with the arm thing off, I need bra friendly at this point, because I find when I have all these tops that are off shoulder or one shoulder, I don't wear them because I need the bra friendly. I'm kind of looking more maybe with like a cutout and just regular sleeves on both sides. Like if this just had the cutout and was fitting a little bit better, it would be perfect. The one thing I also wanted to point out, this is meant for someone obviously much skinnier and much taller than me, because you can see here the shoulder area is just like way too big. All right, so because I am a small person, I'm not filling up this area, and then it's just too tight across here. Okay, so that was my fix. I'm really actually kind of pleased with it. I got some items that are different that I hadn't seen before. I really did enjoy that sweatshirt dress. It's the quality of it was definitely there. I wouldn't call it a sweatshirt. It's a thick knit thermal. I think that it was well made. It was a nice dress. It just didn't do me any justice. So for that, it went back. I think that the jacket was definitely a great quality. Again, it was $180, which is what, if you went into the store, that's what you'd see the price tag on. But honestly, you can always get it on a coupon or have some sort of sale. And it just, you know, if it were perfect, I would still buy it at $180, but it wasn't perfect. So that was going back. And the corduroys couldn't even put it on. Free People top, forget about it. And this LNA top, no way. It's just way too tight. Well, thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Give me a thumbs up and click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me. Take care. Until next time.